Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss a follow-up lesson. The name of the follow-up lesson is Safety First. Could understand? 8th class English. Which class English? Okay. Yes, this is the follow-up lesson. Read the poem. It is a poem. Could understand? It is a poem. So read the poem. Answer the questions that follow. Some answers are given. Could understand? We need to. Some questions are given. We need to answer them. Could understand? Could understand or not? So read the poem. Yes, this is session 1. No, it is not like this. Right? Follow-up lesson. Read the poem and answer the questions that follow. Safety first. Yes. Up the street. Street means you know. Rasta, Gadi, Sai. We say like this. Up the street I look to see if any traffic's near to me. ରାସ୍ତାରେ ମୁଁ ଗଲା ଆଡ଼ୁ ଦେଖୁଛି କୌଣସି ଯାନବାହନ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ ଆସୁଛି କି ନାହିଁ. So up the street I look to see if any traffic's near to me. Down the street I look as well ତଳକୁ ଅନୁଛି and I listen for a horn or bell. କିଏ ବେଲ୍ ବଜାଉଛି କି ନାହିଁ, କିଏ ହର୍ନ ବଜାଉଛି କି ନାହିଁ, କିଛି ଯାନବାହନ ଆସୁଛି କି ନାହିଁ. We watch all these things while I cross across the road. While we pass a road, we watch all these things, whether a car is coming or not, or is there a horn or a bell ringing or not. I watch all these things, then I pass the road. Then I try to pass the तापरे मु चेष्टा करछि रास्ताटा पार हेबाक. Could understand? This is the right procedure. ठीक है procedure. We should do it so that we can avoid accident. जारी पड़े कि आमे accident को एड़े पारिबा. Could understand boys? Understand? Yes. Next one is there is something coming. Wait a bit. If something is coming, we have to wait. କିଛି ଯଦି ଆସୁଛି ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିଯିବା. If I run out, I may be hit. ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଧାଇଁବି ହୁଏତ ମୋତେ ଧକ୍କା ହେଇଯାଇପାରେ. Something is coming. If I don't wait, ମୁଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଯଦି କରିବିନି, that movie vehicle may hit me. ମୋତେ ଧକ୍କା ଦେଇପାରେ. But now the road is really clear. ଆଉ ଯାନବାହନ ନାହିଁ. ବାସ୍ତବରେ clear. No car, no motor, or no car or motor or bus is near. No car, no bus, no motor is near. I shall run across the road so wide. Hurry, hooray, hip, hip, hooray. This is the expression of success. Hooray! I am safe the other side. On the other move, say. Enid Blyton. Could understand? This is the poem. Could understand? About what? Safety first. About road safety. These are the sum of rules to follow in order to pass the road. Could understand? So let's see what is there. Yes. Write the answers to the following questions. What did I say? Write the answers to the following questions. এই ତଳେ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବା ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଉତ୍ତର ଲେଖ. Who is I in the poem? Tell me. The poet in the I in the poem. The poet is the I in the poem, or I is the poet in the poem. Could understand? That means I refers to the poet. तार तो कविता रे आई किए मु माने इट रिफर्स टू द पोएट. नेक्स्ट वन इज कुड अंडरस्टैंड. I, yes, I in the poem is the poet himself. Okay. Next one is what does the poet look to see? What does the poet look to see when he is walking up to the street? When the poet is walking up the street, he looks. This is looks, not books. Could understand it? This is looks. Wait. He looks to see in the traffic is near to him. If this is if the traffic is near to him. Okay. Next one is what does the poet look and listen when he is coming back from the street? When the poet is coming back from the street, he looks if there is any traffic near to him, and also listens for a horn or bell. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Could understand? Next question. Yes, this is the next question. What is this? When does the poet wait a bit? Tell me. The poet waits a bit when he finds a vehicle. When he finds a vehicle coming on the road. Okay. Next one is why does he wait? He waits for the car to pass. He waits for the car. He waits for the car to pass. Okay. Next one is what will happen if someone does not wait? If someone does not wait, he or she may be hit by a vehicle. Or if someone does not wait, he or she may be face some accident, any accident. Okay. Next one is When does he cross the road? Yes, he crosses the road when the road is clear. When the road is clear. No. Clear. Or when the road is free from vehicles. Okay. Now let's move to the next point, that is what is this next one? Yes. The words phrases have been defined mostly on contextual प्रसंगरे meaning प्रसंग अर्थ व्यवहार कराइछि. So across the road from one side to other. Across the road means from one side to other. Could understand? We pass across the road when the road is free from vehicles. Next, head in the air, not being careful, unmindful. Unmindful. We should not cross the road unmindfully. Or unmindfulness is the cause of accident. ଅମନୋଯୋଗୀଟା ହେଉଛି ଆକସ୍ମିକ ଦୁର୍ଘଟଣାର କାରଣ. Safe, without any danger or risk, ନିରାପଦ. Could understand? Safe. So if we follow the traffic rules, it is always safe. It is always safe to pass the road at a zebra crossing. Okay. Next one is take care. सतर्क रहिबा, देखी चाह जीवा, तामाने सावधान रहिबा. We should take care of our dress. We should take care of our books, right? Next one is traffic, that is noun, vehicles running on the road, janabahana. Traffic means. Could understand? On the road, on a square, we generally see traffic light. Or in a town, the traffic is always busy. Could understand? Next one is wait a bit. This is a verb. Just wait a little. Tikiye rahi jao. Could understand? When a bus comes, we just wait a bit. Could understand? And pass the road after it is gone. Bus gala pore ame road ta pass korche. So with this, that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the other lessons in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.